I'm going to discuss the topic the liquid drop model. So basically, the liquid drop model is proposed by Neil Bohr, and it can be successful explain the phenomena of nuclear fission. Basically, the liquid drop model explains the structure of nucleus. So, what are the assumptions of liquid drop model? The first assumption of liquid drop model is all the nuclei are considered to behave like an incompressible drop of liquid. So every nuclei inside the nucleus behave as a liquid drop. Second, nucleus is spherical in shape due to the spherical surface tension forces. So as third, as the liquid is incompressible, so its density is constant. So overall, if we consider that the liquid is incompressible, the overall density is constant, and it is also independent of size or the shape of the liquid. So fourth assumption is the nucleons move inside the spherical enclosure called potential barrier. So all the nuclei are move inside the spherical enclosure, which is known as a potential barrier, like a movement of molecules in the spherical liquid drops. So fifth assumption is the binding energy per nucleon is considered as constant, just as a latent heat of vaporization is constant. So if we are comparing it with the liquid drop, so as binding energy of nuclei is constant, so in other hand the latent heat of vaporization is constant in the case of liquid drop. The sixth assumption is the binding energy per nucleon is proportional to the mass number A. So B binding energy is proportional to mass number A, just as comparison to the energy required to evaporate a liquid is proportional to its mass. So these are the assumption of liquid drop model. And now there is a semi-empirical mass formula which is required to explain the liquid drop model. So the total binding energy of the nucleus, as we read in a previous topic, B is equal to Z MP. Z is atomic number, MP is a mass of the proton, plus A minus Z. These are the number of neutrons, and multiply by Mn, which is a mass of neutron minus total mass of the nucleus into C square. So this is a total semi-empirical formula. So from this formula we can separate out mass of the nucleus by written as M nucleus is equal to Z MP plus A minus Z Mn minus B upon C square. So next is we need to find out the